Don't download Talkspace online therapy app before watching this. Before you download Talkspace, here's the truth most people overlook. It's not just messaging a counsellor. Talkspace offers video, audio, and chat therapy, but without proper engagement, it won't improve mental health. Step 1. Define your therapy goals. Are you looking for anxiety relief, depression support, or relationship guidance? Most people get this wrong by starting without clarity, which slows progress. Step 2. Choose the right therapist. Matching with a licensed professional who fits your needs is crucial. The surprising truth is, the right match can dramatically impact results. Step 3. Engage consistently. Daily or weekly check-ins, journaling, and completing therapist recommendations maximize benefits. Sporadic use reduces effectiveness. Step 4. Be transparent. Honest communication about feelings and challenges allows therapists to give targeted advice. Avoiding openness limits progress. Step 5. Track outcomes. Monitor mood, stress, and coping skills over time. Users who don't track improvements often underestimate their progress. The upside: Talkspace can provide convenient, accessible therapy, with users reporting lower stress and better coping when fully committed. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you set goals, choose the right therapist, engage consistently, communicate openly, and track outcomes. Casual use without commitment offers limited benefit. Subscribe for guidance on using online therapy effectively.